Have you ever wondered how our star, the Sun, came into being? Its tale is a cosmic ballet of time, gravity, and matter, written across eons. Our story begins about 4.5 billion years ago in a vast, cold, and dark molecular cloud. This cloud consisted of hydrogen and helium with a sprinkling of heavier elements. This was the primordial soup of the universe, a place where stars are born. As the universe danced its cosmic ballet, a disturbance occurred. Perhaps it was a shockwave from a distant supernova, or the gravitational tug from a nearby galaxy. Whatever the cause, this disturbance set off a chain reaction within our molecular cloud. The cloud began to collapse under its own gravity, forming a rotating disk of gas and dust, with a dense core at the center. This was the first step toward the birth of our sun. This dense core, known as a protostar, continued to grow and heat up as more and more material fell into it. As the protostar's temperature rose, it began to glow, first in infrared, then in visible light. But it was not yet a star. It was just a baby, taking its first steps in the vast cosmic nursery. After about 100,000 years, the protostar's core became hot and dense enough for nuclear fusion to begin. Hydrogen atoms started to combine to form helium, releasing vast amounts of energy in the process. This was the moment our sun was born. It was no longer a protostar, but a main sequence star, shining brightly in the cosmos. From that moment on, our sun has been radiating heat and light into the universe. It has nurtured life on our planet, and it has been a beacon in the night sky for countless generations. And it will continue to do so for about 5 billion more years, until it exhausts its hydrogen fuel and enters the next stage of its stellar evolution. To summarize, the sun's formation was a process that spanned over 4.5 billion years. It started with a cold, dark molecular cloud that collapsed under its own gravity. This formed a dense protostar that grew and heated up until it ignited nuclear fusion, becoming a main sequence star. This is the story of our sun, a tale of cosmic forces and celestial ballet. It's a reminder that we are all made of star stuff, born from the heart of a star, living on a planet warmed by a star, and gazing up at a universe filled with stars. It's a story that continues to unfold as we learn more about our universe and our place within it. So the next time you look up at the sun, remember its extraordinary journey from a humble cloud of gas and dust to the radiant star that lights our days and guides our nights. And remember that we too are part of this grand cosmic story.